All right, so former President Jacob Zuma will soon have his day in court to face corruption charges linked to the controversial arms deal of the late 90s. National Prosecuting Authority boss Shaun Abrahams made the announcement in Pretoria this afternoon. Zuma is set to face hundreds of counts for alleged corruption charges relating to the 30 billion rand state arms deal.
Almost a decade later, the NPA has finally made up its mind. Former President Zuma must stand trial.
That there are reasonable prospects of a successful prosecution of Mr. Zuma on the charges listed in the indictment served on Mr. Zuma prior to the termination of the matter by Share SC. As a result, Mr. Zuma's representations are unsuccessful.
Zuma is set to face 16 charges relating to a 30 billion rand state arms deal. At the time, he was the country's deputy president. A damning High Court ruling found that he had a corrupt relationship with his then financial advisor, Shabir Sheikh. Sheikh was convicted and sentenced to 15 years for corruption. But charges were dropped against Zuma shortly before he was elected president in 2009. The Democratic Alliance challenged the decision. The appeals court then found that the NPA's decision to drop the charges was irrational. And now, after reviewing its decision, the NPA is ready to take on the former president. On Wednesday, Abrahams told Parliament that he would first inform Zuma before making it news to prosecute him. KZN NDPP head Moiponi Noko will lead the prosecution's team. Legal showdown between Zuma and the NPA looms. If previous court cases are anything to go by, this matter is likely to drag on for months, if not years. Patricia Fasachi, SABC News in Silverton, Pretoria.